Today our lesson is about presence of food, science 3. So let's start our new lesson for today. And are you ready? Okay, now let's go here for the first picture and we will see here presence of food. So everybody read this one. Organisms need food for energy to keep alive. Plants are able to make their own foods, just like this tree. You can see this one. The tree said, I'm able to stay alive as long as I get enough light, carbon dioxide, and water. So that's why you can, if you observe the tree, it will become big and tall and happy because of the light, water, and the carbon dioxide. Okay, let's go to the next slide. You can see this one. Okay, the food that animals eat comes directly or indirectly from plants. Hence, animals can survive as long as there are plants. Okay, because they need to eat grass over here so that they will survive. So the grasshoppers and deer are more likely to survive if there are plants in their surroundings. Am I right? Okay, so put on your thinking cap that this question is, what do you think will happen if all the plants in the garden die? Oh my. So, what happened? Oh, deer need to move around in order to get enough food. So, it, the animals, maybe it might dead or whatever. Or they will move to another place to find a food. Okay? So, now let's go to the next one. Oh, these creatures or these animals like millipedes feed or leaves fallen from plants, and the termites feed on the wood of a tree. You can see the termites here. It's an very big ants, this one, and this one is millipedes. So how about this one, the tiger? Tiger are often found in the same surroundings as deer. Why is this so? Oh, the tiger will eat the deer. Oh, that's why the deer move to another place for them to be safe, because the tiger will eat them. Gonna eat them, okay? So let's go to another one. The key ideas here. The first one is the organisms, and below here is such as, like you can see, plants, animals. Need, so what's their needs? Food for energy, or can make plants. Okay, now feed directly or indirectly animals. You can see this one. Okay, we'll see the other one, the next page. Okay, this one is presence of other organisms. Very often various organisms live in the same habitat. This can be good and bad. So the good, we go first here, the good one. Okay, you can see the animals here at the trees. The good, besides providing food for other organisms, plants can give shelter to many organisms. Look at this tree. You can see the tree. This one you can see. Okay, birds may make nests on the higher branches. Okay, this birds makes a nest over here. The monkey and the tree snakes may make their homes in the lower branches. Okay, they stay here at the lower. Okay, the squirrels or birds can live in the holes of the trunks. Holes over here, the holes, that's one. Okay, the spreading roots can hide the entrance to the underground homes of snakes and rats. Over here, the rats and the snakes. Okay, you can see the difference that the birds at the highest. The next one, the monkeys and the bird. What's this? The monkeys and the snakes. The what's this? Lower branches. Okay, the squirrels or birds can live in the hole over here. Okay, so let's go to the next one. You can see these creatures, these animals. These animals dig through the soil to loosen it. As a result, roots are able to grow longer. Oh, you can see this one, the ants and the beetle. And also the earthworm helps make soil fertile. They pass out worm casts that are rich in nutrients. Okay, this one, you can see this, that is the worm. You can see the worm. Okay, and how about the fungi? Okay, fungi and microorganisms are also feed on dead plants and animals. In the process, they release nutrients into the soil. Okay, it will help also the soil. Okay, did you understand about the fungi and the microorganisms? And now let's go to the next one. You can see this one is the bed. The bed, oh my. Animals compete for food and water. Okay, more animals living in the same habitat and eating the same types of food means less food for each animals. You can see this one, this lion and the cheetah. They will eat the deer, but they are the same animals. Okay, lions and cheetah hunts and eats the same types of food. If both animals live in the same habitat, they will find it more difficult to have enough food to survive. So you see this one, lions and cheetah compete for food. Why do you think rabbits are less likely to survive in places where there are foxes and bobcats? Okay, so did you observe this one? How about if other animals already consume or no more? Oh, they will eat each other. The lion and the cheetah eat each other. What do you think? Okay, now let's go to the last one. Okay, this one. Why do we think rabbits are less likely to survive in places where there are foxes and bobcats? Okay, this one is the fox. This one foxes. And the bobcats hunts and eats rabbits. Okay, this one will hunt the rabbits. And the cats. This one, the cats. Okay, they love the rats. Okay, so now your lesson will stop here, and we will continue next time about the presence of other organisms and presence of food. Okay, so thank you so much and study hard. That's all for today, and goodbye everyone. See you next time. Goodbye.